Hello traders, welcome to the weekly market update with the hottest news. In this release, we'll talk about the rise of the US dollar, soaring record-breaking gas prices, the crypto market, and give you some trading ideas for the week. My name is Angie. Let's get started. Natural gas has created an all-time high by reaching 6.340 on September the 28th. So what's really going on? A lot has to do with the climate change and the misbalance between supply and demand. Last year, the winter was colder than previously, and therefore the reserves for gas were depleted more than before. And now countries are rushing to replenish those supplies. Keep in mind that gas isn't only used for heating purposes, but also for production companies. So once again, what's causing the spike in prices? Fear of extremely cold weather. Last Tuesday, Iceland was hit by a snowstorm. And I bet you're saying, well, yeah, it's Iceland. But no, snow in September is so unusual even for Iceland that people didn't have enough time to change their tires to winter gear, which caused a lot of incidents on the road. High demand, weak supply. The United States is also suffering from lower production due to Hurricane Ida, with 77.3% of the Gulf of Mexico production shut down as of the end of last week. According to the Energy Information Administration, the level of gas in the United States storage is 7.4% below the 5-year average and 16.8% below the level last year at this time. Additionally, Europe was able to produce a lot less renewable energy this summer due to extremely dry and low wind conditions, especially in the United Kingdom. Goldman Sachs has updated its forecast for Brent oil from $80 per barrel to $90 per barrel by the end of 2021. And so the rally continues. Look for natural gas midterm support at 5.493 and resistance is going to be at 6.340. So what's been going on in the United States? For the first time since January, the S&P 500 closed the month in the red. Month on month for September, the index fell by more than 4%. On the monthly chart, September shows a massive bearish engulfing pattern. The fear on the market is clear. The Fed obviously also created an interesting atmosphere on the market due to the wrapping of the QE program. The money printing machine will stop next year, the US rainfall will cease, which means that the market is likely to plunge into a long and painful flat. SPX support is around 4268.30. Resistance is 4458.10. Last week was a bullish week for the United States dollar against most of the currencies. And as long as the markets remain confident that the United States is going to start tightening monetary policy, USD should remain well supported. China is banning crypto, again for the 19th time since 2013, but this time it looks serious. On September the 24th, China's central bank and its National Development and Reform Commission disclosed two documents. One banning cryptocurrency mining and the other declared all cryptocurrency transactions illegal and all companies providing cryptocurrency trading services to Chinese citizens as engaged in illicit financial activity. As of October the 8th, Alibaba is going to prohibit the sale of mining equipment for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, and it's also going to be impossible to buy mining-related tutorials or software on the website. Several mining pools have ceased operations, in particular the Ethereum mining pools Spark Pool and B Pool. F2 Pool has already refused to serve customers from the Republic of China. There have also been reports that the popular analytical services CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are no longer available in China. In addition, since the end of September, exchanges Binance, Huobi, and Bitmart, as well as the analytics service Feihao, have banned registrations from China. Biki cryptocurrency exchange announced it would close at the end of November. And Chinese brokers Tiger Brokers and Futu will ban cryptocurrency trading as of October. On the last day of September, the Fear and Greed Index pointed to extreme fear with a reading of 20, but on October the 1st returned to 27. You see, it's not uncommon for Bitcoiners to take advantage of panic selling to buy the dips. Keeping in mind that Bitcoin is known for its rapid volatility, you want to keep these levels in mind. Support targets are 37,000 followed by 30,000. Resistance is 48,000 before reaching the strong level of 50,000. I've noticed an interesting situation on the weekly time frame for Euro US dollar. The price broke the 200 EMA and November 2020 support. The pair is at the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud. A further breakout to the downside will bring us to support in the vicinity of 1.15 or 1.14953. While on the daily chart, 23.6 Fibonacci is located at 1.17441 as resistance. NZD USD touched the 100 and 200 EMA as support on the weekly time frame. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand meets on Wednesday, October the 6th at 1 a.m. UTC, and the central bank is forecasted to raise the interest rate to 0.5% from 0.25%. It'll be interesting to hear what central banks will say now following the Fed's hawkishness. Look for NZD USD resistance at the 200 EMA on the daily chart in the vicinity of 0.70 to 72. Support is 0.68056. By the way, the Reserve Bank of Australia will also make their interest rate decision the day before the RBNZ, but they are expected to leave the interest rate unchanged at 0.10%. Let's see. Another interesting pair is AUD NZD. On the weekly chart, after 14 consecutive bearish weeks, last week the pair gained 1.5%. The price reached 1.04793 as resistance, which coincides with the bottom of the bearish Ichimoku cloud and 38.2 Fibonacci retracement on the daily chart. Support is going to be at 23.6 Fibo, which is 1.04054. If the price is able to break the strong level of resistance, further up, pay attention to the 50% Fibo level at 1.05463. Dear traders, I'm glad that you watched this till the end. Gain profit with Olymp trade. Make sure that you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and ring on the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of our live streams with trading signals and weekly market updates. I'll see you next time.